Hello everyone, good evening. Depends on where you are watching this video from. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Charlotte Stowe, aka Omoduwemi One of France. So, my people, this is not your first time where you just run. You never stop. You never press that red button. I beg, do me a favor, press the red button and notification bell. I beg, I beg, I not the force. I beg you. So don't look and say, do you actually speak? You say, this is not serious. I serious. Because if I'm not serious, you don't go watch my video. So that is why I have to be serious. So, I beg, now I beg you, do me a favor, press that red button for me and the notification bell. Share the video, like the video, and drop your comment below. Okay? So this medium is made for people how to learn. This social is for people to learn, not for only me. So I am not perfect. I am here to say my opinion. I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect. I don't say I'm too good. No, I'm not good. I don't say I'm no pass. No, I don't know pass. I'm not saying I'm going the best person. No, my sister, my brother, I'll not be the best one. I just make a come bring my outcome and make a come tell you the matter they hot. So the thing don't they jigger my brain, the matter don't they scatter my head, the matter don't they volo my belly, not the meaning of volo, don't they turn my belly, if you know the meaning of volo, make you they know now. So the two will bring me come here, the matter they hurt my brain, I don't feel be around again. So my mom network, because they disappoint me since 3 days after don't bring this matter come out. As I reason, I said if I keep this, it go too day long. For my network hair go come down, the matter go too long. I said okay, let me bring out record. That is why my name they be Charlotte Stowe. If you no go in here, if you no go in here, at the tear. As the network say head not correct, I say my head correct person. Now come out to offloading. Now they hear me so. If you block this side, I will come up on this side. If you say this side block, I will follow the other side. And me, and they do one, and they do my best. Until I give up. And they give up. I will try that thing. My sister, anything you are doing for this life, don't allow anybody to discourage you. Don't allow anybody to lose your power or your hope. Try that thing first. If it's not working for you, you go back. I mean, these are the main parable. Oh, what the man go allow life with a bay. Oh, the man go allow all life with a bay. That for you to be dying in silence. That for you to be dying in silence. Sister, you did marriage house. You know they get happiness because of your children. Make her the bear. Now your silence now go kill you. There was not a bad thing what you do. Now your silence now go kill you. Now me they talk. Nobody no. Now me they talk. My people. Don't say this girl not get respect. My respect they don't want my respect for River. For River Tete. And I mean respect pass. Now me I hate insult for my life. Don't insult me. I will not insult you. Don't try my brother. I will not try your whole. You understand me? So, when I said the bother too hot, my people, which is all of you know, if something doesn't bother you, the way you think they react, who near you say, well, who they fear you? You say, this girl now, wow. My brother, now me soft pass. Now me quiet pass. Now me smile pass. Now me joke pass. Anywhere you come me, and they there for you day and night. Just for you to be happy. My second name of happiness is free. My happiness. Those people who know me, they will know my nickname is happiness. Happiness. If you be Benin person, you will know the meaning of happiness in Benin language. That's my second name. That be the name my father gave me. If you be Benin person, you will know the meaning of that happiness. Try to change that name by yourself, so I can't say it here. So this is our sister called me. Me not be like I call the forgot to bring me call here. I want to jigger my brain. First of all, I'm not gonna make our start video today. Me, I first talk to those men who don't know how to pet their wife. Those men don't know how to respect their wife. Those men don't know how to take care of their woman. Brother, if you be one of those people, where you go marry finish, you go say you don't marry. Your wife don't get picky for you. You know if they pet her again. You know if they respect her again. You know if they give her your respect, brother. You die rock. Oh. Brother, if you don't get sweet mouth for your wife, you die rock. Another man from corner where you know how to speak, where you know how to pet, where you know how to smile, where you know what the woman need to do for her. You go collect her from you, bam. Your hair go hop and bang. If you be man, because you get money, your wife now nothing still to you. Your brother, your wife, another man will collect her from you. Your hair go make boom. Now this is not sham. When I teach on a sham, now me they collect woman from now that me they collect on our wife. When I teach on a prick, now me they collect on our wife. Brother, wise oh. Brother, wise. Brother, I say make you wise. Yes. Before you say your woman go outside. Now this sweet match where that man use. Go make it high. Only way till they come out from the outside or from the man matter low. Go make the woman head the spy. Go make the woman head the zero. Go make the woman break the tongue. You as a husband, wait, deal with her for us. What did that man they put for you as a husband for us? She never ever hear that kind of word for your mouth one day. Brother, it is that woman gonna marry with you. If he marry with you, but you go try that thing first. It not come your house, go do your woman for your woman go see him. No. Why can't you wise? Are you a woman? Wise. Before your woman go outside, go follow another man. The man come house, go do your woman. Talk like the woman go do am. It come because of that thing, that stick. Then made that woman follow the man. No, brother. Oh. Now the sweet mouth. What that man is used, because why your sweet mouth? They don't throw him forever. Then make that woman go begin to follow outside. That is why everywhere nowadays, single mother, divorcing. All of the yours they divert. Why? That they divert, don't they make single? Brother, think on what I tell you. Your wife will leave you. You know they still. Before you know the apple, don't carry another man. Brother, what you make her leave you? Pass. Because you know get sweet mouth. You the form say that you be the alpha and omega. You the form say that you be the head of man. You the form say that you be the man of heart. Brother, you are killing yourself. You are losing your family. You are losing your home. I make a video last time. If you want to keep your family home, stop telling your family about your wife's problem. If you want to be a happiness home, stop telling your family about your husband's problem. Sister, if you bear that thing, your marriage will last. Brother, if you bear that thing, your marriage, not be marriage, your marriage will last. Your marriage will last. Ask me why. You get why? You get why? You shock them. You get why, brother? You were the married wife. Any small thing that your mama and I go tell you. Any small thing that your mama and mommy also what my wife do you. Chise, according to Jama. Or where she be? Because she is killer. She be. Before I'm going to speak, it a me. I don't know if it a me. Yes. And I will ask you, it a me. If you know me, you go say no. If you me, you go say yes. It a me, yes. You see, eh? All language, all country, they get their own different type of language. Now so this life be. Now so marriage will be. Now so relationship be, brother. Learn how to respect your wife. Learn how to pet your wife. Learn how to get sweet mouth for your wife. Learn how to get sweet mouth for your wife. Brother, not if you say you don't marry her because you don't born for you. You know if they pet her again. You know if they carry her like a woman. You know if they give her petty. Because say children dead here. Or because say you don't marry, don't born for you. You don't be Ijowa. Which is ass wife be that. Brother, you are getting yourself wrong. Because any home, any marriage home where happiness day. Brother, if your mouth is similar, your wife will tell you, no be outside person. Outside person will let you carry the nose like this. But your wife will tell you, husband, go and brush your teeth. If you wear clothes where you're not fine, and your wife will tell you, no, my husband, this shirt where we are not like her. Go pull up. Now your wife will fit tell you. But if you wear that clothes where your wife not the outside person, you know go tell you go let them mock you for back. Outside person, go let them gossip you for back. Outside person, go let they narrate you, they harness you. Not be harness you, go let them harness you. Now outside person, they go they harness you, they go. But your lovely, beautiful wife for hers, they go tell you, my husband, this thing, I don't like her. And if your wife tells you, take her with her. So men, they their wife go tell her, say, husband, go and brush. Go say, I'm not the brush on my mouth, I get my mouth. Now you get your mouth. I didn't ask you. Your wife go tell you, say, brother, this shoe where you wear, husband, don't like her. You go say, leave one on my leg, I'm gonna put. Brother, now you get your leg. No, but you get your leg. Your wife go tell you, say, this hair where you buy, my husband, don't love her. Change her. You want to your wife, go say, now you get my head for me. Brother, no, but you get your head, now your wife get her. May I tell you. Now your wife get her. Now your mama be one get her. Now your sister want get your head. Now be you marry your wife. Not be your family. Now you marry, not be your family. I know sabi talk, oh. I know sabi talk. May I not take my matter far. Brother, you marry wife, you don't know how to respect your wife. You don't know how to pet your wife. You don't get sweet mouth for your wife. What if you can't if you see not just to enter bed and do that thing, you don't do okay with your wife. Give her money, may take cook, you don't food, you don't see food chop, you don't do okay. Brother, I get it wrong. Petty is very important for women. Petty is very important for women. I'm telling you. Learn how to pet your wife. Learn how to respect your wife. Learn how to get sweet mouth for your wife. You see those three things. Those three things, they make woman they fall in love with a man. Those three things, they make woman they fall in love with a man. Yes. I'm telling you the truth if you don't know. If you can pet your woman like a egg. You can pet your woman like a egg. Any smutty, darling. Any smutty, honey. You go see your woman will fall in love with you. Somebody like that, these are the main parable. And these are the main parable. If you Fred man when they pet you, you can go Fred man when not a big pet. Now every day, these are the knacker for that man. Say, I don't blame you. Don't let they follow Johan. Johan they carry me like egg. Johan they pet me. Why you not go say I not blame you? The time that they follow Johan, Johan sabi walk past me. No woman go tell that cartoon. You go look at it, I not blame you. The time that they follow Johan, no say Johan be. You not go reason yourself why the woman told that cartoon. And the petty, and the respect, and the caring. Where that woman they care for them. You will not say big care. Or what will never go water? Or when you go water, one on me, one on so. Sister, you don't know how to respect. You don't know how to take care of your husband. You defend marriage. It go hurt you. It go hurt you. It go hurt you. So the reason why I'm making this video, I want you all to share this video. I want you all to share the video. Please, if you love my topic, share my video. If you love what I'm saying, if I am saying the right thing, or I am getting myself wrong, please, let me know. You as a lady watching this video, if you love what I'm saying, share this video. If you love what I am saying, share this video. If you don't need petty from your husband, let me know as a lady. You do husband has your husband not they pet you. Every dog brook boy. Sister, you they love that man. Touch true. Sister, not lie you. Touch true. Sister, you marry. You and your husband not they, your husband no time. When I take sit down, they smile, they laugh. Your husband not they pet you. Your husband not they carry you like egg. Your husband not they follow you, not they follow you the smile. Sister, touch true. No lie you. Share your brain, they go far. Sister, touch you. Sister, touch you, be lady like me. If your husband know they respect you for house, your husband know they pet you, your husband know they talk sweet things come out for a mouth, your husband know they tell you good something, sister, touch you. Your man know the judges why you married this camera. Touch you, you be lady. And I want you to drop your opinion. Yes. You know, many men don't know what is petting. Many men, they don't know how to pet woman. Many men, they don't know how to love. Many men, they don't know what is respect about woman. All they know is that I don't marry you, I put it for her, so don't be my housewife. But when you go see another sexy lady, your heart got the die put. Brother, if your wife not sexy, make her sexy. If your wife bought 3 children, wear trouser, you go still look like Unovabo. Yes or no? Trouser not the make person. No, don't born no born. That brother, you know, go make you know who get breast, who not get breast. Brother not go make, not they make women, not they make people they know nowadays. If you go buy brother where you from, make bede, you go wear, you go pack her, you go package her. You go package her for you, you go see her, you go find for your hair. If your wife get clothes where you know, like carry enter market, buy a fine top, buy a what is sexy, brother. The woman go sexy for your hair. If you don't like the color of your wife, organic cream don't full everywhere. Buy an organic cream. Me they find organic cream, my skin die, no they walk. You know what they call me? Shadow store. This skin na store. Nothing. No skin, no cream where they enter. Cause now store where it be, no they work for me. Brother, buy your wife organic cream. You go fine, go look sexy. No go they look outside. No go look another woman for outside when you go wear trousers, wear all the waist. You can't begin to die put. And you don't get respect. Who you marry for her, she don't know how to pet her. Who you marry for her, she don't know how to respect her. Who you marry for her, she don't get with math. Who you marry for her, she don't know how to do anything with her. They go just that. Come and make I do. I do you, you do me. Finish. Which kind of mumu love is that? Some men, they want to speak with their wife for her. They don't know how to romance her. They don't know how to pet her. They don't know how to get with math. Or what them, or what move up. Your love will they die, brother. The woman love will they die for you. The woman love will they expire for you, brother. If you be that kind of man. E kukuba wa iwa mudia. Who are the edge up? Or for? If you be that kind of man, your love will they expire for your woman head. But if you be man, where they pet, where you get sweet mat, where they smell, where they love touching, go they touch them, go they rub by everywhere. You know, the rub band everywhere. The rub band cream before you climb. Your wife hair go this spark. You go this spark. You go to lose control. You go to zero. What you gonna make your hair there outside? Tell me. Don't be by every day. Some men just believe what say I want hammer. And my wife like hammer. What is your wife like hammer? Brother, the season of only 1 month session, your wife will remember for years. For years to years, you will remember that day. For years to years, you will remember that day. But if you be the way they do every day by day, you can just pass the break. But only 1 day you will give her, hurt me, I hurt you. You will remember that day. No, will forget for you. If not only once in a month, brother, till they see your wife, make her be okay. If not only once in a week till they see your wife, make your wife be okay. But you go make it hide there outside. For Europe again. I ask myself for sure. The matter they hurt me. For Europe again, I ask myself, they'll say, man, woman, they follow another man. For Europe again, now money you defend. That man won't give you money. If na money you defend, my sister, don't pay me. For Europe again, brother, you know go ask yourself. Child, the matter, the thing they do me. Nigeria, in our country that years, not the days, most of women they will know. If woman they date 2 men for Nigeria, you go date one because of love, you go date one because of money, which I know in Africa, but here in Europe, what you go make it they follow 2 men or 3 men? Tell me why, sister. Here in Europe, what you go make it they follow men? What you go make it they exchange men, sister? Tell me why. Not because of money, oh. Not because of anything, oh. Hey, people who know me, they know me, Shadow. I say Italy, a million. Nobody know me. No man, no bastard man go come and say me. For many years in Europe, so now I say see my parents. He not there. He not fit. He what die? He not there. Now my hand I tell they do my ego. What do you carry? What do you get? Now ego you want give me? Give me ego. I go answer you. What do you carry? We want that. We want freak me. Now does it die? Now does it the interest? So this is die. Anything they freak. If you be die. You they do furu they from mat to ma. Sister, you just they waste your time. Keep yourself in one class. Use your heart to make your money. Find a responsible man. Find a man who know how to respect. Find a man who know how to care for a wife. Find a man who know how to care for a woman. Not be man where you go they call for years, you know go see her. Not be man where you go they marry for 1 month, you know go see her, sister. Now this kind of modern life, now women they suffer, sure. Think they sugar my brain. Think they scatter my brain. Think I mean, I said the matter.